We call these, they're all being multiplied, and I'll explain why. See the way there's nothing in between the brackets? That means multiply. And when you multiply, we're going to draw 4 lines. Green line, blue line, red line, black line. And each one has a different answer. Let's start with the green line. 2a times a, 2a squared. Let's go for the blue line now. 2a times 1, 2a. Let's go for the red line. 1a, yeah. And finally the black line, 1. Now guys, there's 3 different items. There's a squareds, there's a's, and there's regular numbers. So a, what do you do with the middle? So what happens when you plus the middle too? And then you're just left with this answer here, aren't you? Yes? What's wrong? All right. Well, we'll do them. We'll learn to do them today. Sam. Now, next thing, lads. All right. Obviously, we won't get to do them all. We'll go for D. Ready for D, lads? Okay. Here we go. Same thing again. Red line, blue line, green line, and finally the black line. Everybody cool with that? Okay. D, what's the answer for the red line? Yeah, red line is 3x multiplied by 2x. What's the answer for that? Yeah, multiply, yeah. What you get? Yeah. Okay, now we're on to the blue line. Blue line is 3x multiplied by 3. What you get? Still you. PG. Yeah. 3 times 3x. Okay, awesome. Now you're on to the green line, which is what, Bobby? It's minus 7 times 2x, which is very close to 14x. Is it plus or a minus? Minus 14x. And finally, the black line, which is minus 7 times 3. What's minus 7 times 3? Minus 21. Minus 21. Now let's add the middle section together, Bobby. What's 9x take away 14? You have €9, but you owe your mate €14. How much money do you owe them? You have €9, but you owe your friend 14. What do you reckon? 5. You owe them 5x. Cool. Lads, if I correct too many of these, you're going to get bored. So I think it's... Yeah, I'm going to record the second one now first. Okay, we need to practice these. Okay, guys. All right, Bobby. We'll call this the red line. We'll call this one the green line. We'll call this one the blue line. And we'll finally call this one the purple line, okay? Can you start off with the red line for me? What you get for the red line? X times 2x is what? 2xx, otherwise known as 2x squared. Shh. What's the green line, Bobby? X times minus 3? Good work. All right. Bobby, we're on the blue line now. What's the blue line? 3 times 2x. What's 3 times 2x? No, 3 multiplied by 2. 6x. Finally, Bobby, what's the purple line? 3 times minus 3? If you don't know it, your calculator will do it for you. 3 times minus 3? Minus 9. Now, Bobby, what only thing adds at the end is the x's, because there's 2 of them. These 2 here. Any idea what to do with them? Minus 3 plus 6. So you go to calculator and you can say minus 3 plus 6. 3. 3 x's in the middle. Take away your 9. Okay. This one here, all right? See this 2x minus 3 squared? Or b, what does that mean? What's this one mean? What does it mean? You said it earlier. You write it down. You write it down twice. Okay. All right, guys. Uh, G, go for it. 2x by 2x. Okay. 2x by minus 3. Okay. Minus 3 by 2x. Minus 3 by minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by another minus 3. Check your calculator if you're not sure. Check your calculator if you're not sure. Plus 9. Okay. Bombs in the middle, George. Minus 6, minus 6. What's that? Minus 12. That's all right. Yeah. All right. We all good with that? I'm quickly going to, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to move on to the one on the top right. Okay. It is tricky. Now, out of interest, before we actually do it, does anybody have an answer they'd want to say first? Give me a sec, guys. All right. Connor, what answer did you get? Go. 9x squared negative 49. I think that's wrong. Suban. Plus 5x. Plus what? Plus 4. Plus 1. Did you get that, Adam? Did you get that? All right, lads, I think Suban and Adam are correct. Let me show you. Ready? Lads, look. 1, that's 4x cubed. Blue, 2x by 3x. 6x squared. Green, 2x by 1, 2x. Right. Purple, 1 times 2x squared. Yeah. And then I need more colors. Dotted black line, 1 times 3x plus 3x. And finally, 1 times 1, 1. Now, lads, really quickly. Lads, 6x squared plus a 2x squared. 8x squared, so it's 4x cubed. It's your 8x squared. It's your 5x. And it's your 1. Happy out with that? Very difficult.